Right, we're back, and I'm going to be putting the tracks on now, because I've decided to do that next, because I can get to weathering this a little bit in afterwards through the holes, and I can do a bit with the wheels axles as well, so to put a bit weathering on it. So this is the tracks we've done, and I'm not too worried if they don't look completely covered, but they are mainly all covered, so because most of it's going to be hidden away. Right, here we go then. So we're going to start, and so we can do this. We're going to actually do this side. And I know the colour looks really bright, but actually looks better when you're seeing it for real, but that's the way it is on some models. Right, here we go, we're going to start. So we've got to get B8, it says 56, and you know that's dark iron Tamiya colour, but as I said, I'd rather go with grey, because when you see tanks in the museum, a lot of the time they don't look the metally colour, they look more like a greys and dirty, very light greys as well, and sandy colours, and all the mud that's stored on, and just they look just different. Right, anyway, so I'm waffling, so here we go. So we need B8, and B8, I'll turn it over this way. B8 is this one, so we get as near as we can, and same on the other side. And that's B8. Right, so basically let's have a look, see where it goes, but it doesn't matter, we've got to get this one. This is B10, and B10 is here, just so you can see it a little bit better now. So we get that one off, and I've already cut one end, so just got to go like this and like this, and I've got to remember there's my mid centre, and you can still see there what I'm doing, so that's okay. So that's B10, and that comes this end, so if we keep them in the order they should be. Then we've got B2, and B2, there's quite a few of those. Yeah, there's 3 of them, so we've got a few of those. Right, B2. Right, so that's that one. And then we want B2. So we've got the 2 more B2s at the other end. And the B3s are on the bottom, so B2. So get 2 more B2s. There you go, that's that one. So we've got 2 this end, and it goes that way, I think. Which way does it go? Oh no, the 2 pegs go forward, so that's it. And 2 pegs go forward, and 2 pegs go forward. Yep. Wrong way round. That's why it was looking a bit odd. So now we can do 2 pegs forward. Right, that's the top run. So I'm going to glue those together now, and then we want how many singles? 1, 2, 3, 4. They're the B6. So B6 is on here, and B6 is, there's a lot of B6s, which is good. B6 there and B6 there. So what I can do is cut all the B6s, and if I put them into a pot like so, I can use them as and when. So B6s. Yep, there they are. I'll come over here with it, and so you can see them going into the pot. In fact, if I put the pot there, we know where it's going to go, don't we? Two didn't go in the pot. It don't matter. B6, 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 B6. What I'll do is I'll do one side, and then I'll do the other one off camera. It's going to be quite a long video. I've got 2 segments already done as well, doing spraying. So there you go, as you already know if you've been watching this. Like that. Then next, what did I just do? I did something silly, didn't I? B6, B6. Oh, they're all B6. Yeah. Oh, the B3s are there. Well, that's what I can do with a load of these B6s then. And these are B6 as well. Shows you I didn't look at the instructions properly. That's it, so all the B6s. And then the B3s are there, and that's the B11. So this goes on the bottom, so I'm going to put B11 to one side. Oops. And the B3s obviously. Right, get one for the B3s. I think they're the same as the other ones, B2s, but I won't charge it. B3, 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 sorry I went out of length with that. So that's B3, and what I can do now, I'll put the B3 peg in there. So that looks like it. So we've got all the tracks off, and now we're going to start gluing. So we've got to get going, and I'm going to see how far. So that goes on to, this one seems to go on to, yeah, goes. Yeah, I'm going to do this now, just do a test. Right, here we go. Do a little test first. There you go, that goes there really well. That's quite a nice fit. And then we go onto here, the briefing. I want to see if it fits between the road rollers. And now it goes on. What's that? Where's my tweezers gone? The other ones. Right, back in a sec. Yep, there they are. I just want to pull them up there. Yep. So take that one off. I would stick that on now, but I know for it's going to give me trouble, so but it doesn't say do that. Right, here we go. So the first thing is this one. This one. Then you get the other one. Right, then these two go back here, so we can glue these together. Right. And then that bit, oh, that's a bit I've just glued. This has got to go onto here. Shouldn't have glued them yet. And then the three comes around. What, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the B3, which are there. Yep. So I'm going to leave those there. Three B3s. Right, I'm going to switch off cutter things. I'm going to make sure I don't make a mistake. Right, I've got a little bit. I'm letting it dry. I'm letting it dry, so I can't really do this too much on camera. I'm going to leave it to show you after I've done one side, and then we'll come back. And I think I might do it slightly different on the other side. So sorry about that. But anyway, you saw me starting to try and get it on there, but you've got to really line things up properly. All right, catch you in the next segment. Right, another short segment. Now these tracks took a while to build, and every time I did them they fell apart, so I had to just glue bits, leave it to stand, and so I'm not going to do the next track on camera, but I can show you how it's looking. And I'm going to run some glue around it later on to make sure it bonds even better. But yeah, so I've got that bit there just to keep this up, so I'm going to call it quits for today, unless I feel like coming later in the evening. So there you go. So we've done the one track, and the next thing after this will be getting started on the turret as well, and we'll see how we go on that. But the turret will be straightforward. That will be built on top of the in front of the camera. Right, see you. Right, as I said, it was hard doing the tracks for me because I had to keep holding it and waiting for it to dry, so I didn't record some of the building of it and basically put them together already. And then there they are, already on there. Where it's shiny is where I've just painted a bit of grey paint on back onto them to cover. And then what I've got to do next is what I want to do is actually put these on, because then I can actually deal with it, and I can still paint inside, but I've done a little bit in there, as you can see. And we're going to put these are, is that the right way? No, because this one has to go this way. So if I turn this over, I'll be doing that. And it fits on like that. and that's it. So that's it done. But what we've got to do first is put the top on. So I need to put the top on because I need to, and I've done enough here, and I might leave it till later, but I'll show you me spraying a little in here, a bit of white around here, just in case I decide to have this open or have the figure there. At least I'll be able to have a bit of white in there to see if you can see past the figure. Right, so because that gives me an option. So what I'm going to do is basically spray this inside white before I move on, and then I can actually put this on, which I've test fitted. It does go on, and it came off a bit hard to get off the second time, but it's okay. And I've still got some bits to put on here though afterwards, but I can do that once we've done it, because I've got some more photo etch to go on there. Where is it? Right, that goes like that, that goes like that, and that goes like that. And then you're putting that on, and you haven't got the headlights in place, which is good, because that means I can deal with that later. And I've got a bit of photo etch. I think I've got a bit of photo etch for this area as well. So there you go. And they're saying put it on now, but so we can do all the pipes and everything. So that's okay, and that goes on last. But I'm going to put it on because I've already painted in there, so it's not an issue really, as you can see. Right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to come back in a couple of seconds. It'll be tomorrow technically, because I'm off out there to a reunion for the railway. So let me see you tomorrow, but basically for you a couple of seconds.